Hi, welcome to mathematics. In this video, we want to solve for x in exponential x minus exponential minus x divided by 2 factorial equals exponential raised to power 0. So let's say solution. We have exponential x minus exponential minus x divided by 2 factorial equals exponential raised to power 0. So from here, we have exponential x minus exponential minus x divided by, we know 2 factorial is 2 times 1, and that will becomes 2 equals exponential raised to power 0 will becomes 1. So from here, if we cross multiply, we will have this, we multiply 1 and 2 we multiply 1 here. So we have exponential x minus exponential minus x equals 2 times 1. So we have exponential x minus exponential minus x equals 2. So from here, this is a negative index, and if you want to simplify it, it will becomes exponential x minus, this minus will become 1 divided by exponential x. This is equals 2. Again, by multiply both sides by exponential x, by multiply both sides by exponential x. If you multiply both sides by exponential x, you are going to have exponential x multiplied by exponential x minus 1 divided by exponential x. This, and we have exponential x multiplied by 2. So from here, we will have exponential x times exponential x. So we have something like this, exponential x times exponential x. Then we have plus times minus will become minus. We have exponential x times 1 divided by exponential x. So this times this. So this is equals, we have exponential x times 2, exponential x times 2. So from here, let's recall from the law of indices that when number with two copies are being multiplied, their power are added. So we have this exponential here, so we are going to add their power. So we have exponential x plus x minus exponential x times 1, we have exponential x, then divided by exponential x. This is equals, we have exponential x times 2, that will give us 2 exponential x. Right? Now we have exponential x times x plus x, we have 2x minus, again from the law of indices, when number with Jacobi's have been divided, the power of the divisor, this is subtracted from the power of dividend. So we are going to choose exponential, then you subtract this power from here. We have x minus x. This is equals to exponential x. So here we have exponential 2x minus, this is x minus x will become 0 equals 2 exponential x. So from here, we will have exponential 2x minus exponential raised to the power 0, like I said earlier, will becomes 1. Then we have equals exponential 2 exponential x. So if we transfer this here, we are going to have exponential 2x minus 1 minus 2 exponential x. This is equal 0. But recall that whenever we have, let's say we have a raised to power xy, This is equal a raised to power x times y. So this becomes exponential x raised to power 2. Then we have minus 2 exponential x here, right? So then we have minus 1 equals 0. So if you look at this, you see that this is a quadratic equation. So of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, right? So from here, if you compare this, you are going to declare that our a equals coefficient of x squared, and that is coefficient of exponential x, and that is 1, right? So our b coefficient of x, and that is exponential x, coefficient is minus 2, and c, our constant, is minus 1. So using quadratic formula, so we are going to have exponential x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, right? So if we substitute these values into this formula, we're going to have exponential x equals minus minus 2, right, plus or minus square root of b squared, that is minus 2 square, minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 divided by 2 times 1. So that is a. So we have exponential x equals minus 1 times minus 2, that is 2, plus or minus square root of minus 2 square will give us 4, minus 4 times 1, that is 4, times minus 1 will give us 4, divided by 2. So we have exponential x equals 2 plus or minus square root of 8 divided by 2. So we have exponential x equals 2 plus or minus, this can be simplified to be 4 times 2, right, divided by 2. So we have exponential x equals 2 plus or minus, we have square root of 4, that will be what, 2, then we have root 2 divided by 2. So we can actually easily factorize 2 out of here. So we have exponential x equals 2. We have what we left here, 1, plus here we have 2. So plus or minus divided by 2. And we know that these two, we cancel these two, right? So we have exponential x equals 1 plus or minus square root of 2. So this will have exponential x equals 1 plus square root of 2, or exponential x equals 1 minus square root of 2. But let's see what happened here. This will be rejected. So because the root, we have to reject this root particularly because 1 minus square root of 2 is less than 0. So, and you know, exponential x is greater than 0. So we have to reject this. So rejected. So we have to move on with this, and to move on with this, but we want to find x, right? So not exponential x. And to do that, we introduce ln to both sides. Introduce ln. So we have ln exponential x equals ln 1 plus square root of 2, right? So, and you know, when we have something like this, ln exponential a, this is equals a, because ln will cancel exponential, and you see exponential will cancel ln, is this is the same. So applying it here, we are going to have, you know, this we cancel this, we are going to have x equals ln 1 plus square root of 2. So this is our value of x. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and network. Do well to also subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my next video. Bye.